Hello guys, how are you all doing? So there's a good news guys. I just discovered another offer. I just discovered another secret offer on MTN. But should I even review this code to you guys? Like should I review this crazy cheap offer to you guys? Because honestly, most of you don't appreciate me enough. You guys don't appreciate me enough. The last time I reviewed a hack on how you can use the MTN education bundle unlimitedly. If you check the comment section of that video, I mean the first 2 weeks of when I posted that video, people were just praying for me, saying all sorts of good things. But sadly, the third week, MTN removed that plan. And I started getting some crazy few comments. Like some were like, why did you share this update? Must you share this update? Must you share this video? I was just getting a lot of negative comments in my video section. Some were saying that I made MTN remove the update. I made MTN remove the offer. I don't understand. Am I part of the MTN board members? Is it just this small video I made on my channel that made MTN remove the offer? It's more like you guys have forgotten that the data tariff plans in Nigeria now are just so unstable. The plan you see today might be different from what you see tomorrow. So on this channel, I share updates. I don't hide updates. If you are not happy with the video I made, or if you are not happy with me sharing updates with my subscribers, probably you can just plaster one side, because on this channel we know they hide updates for this place. Well, in the end, I've come to conclude that you can't satisfy everybody. No matter how good you do, no matter how good you are, you can't satisfy everybody. And that is why I'm back with another update for those that truly appreciate the time and effort and research that goes into making this kind of video. Getting hack, getting cheap offers, getting cheap data offers, like it takes a lot of research. So regardless if you actually tried the code and it did not work for you, and you tried it, it worked for you, regardless, always appreciate the effort that was put into making that video. Don't start bad mouthing on someone's comment section. It does not make any sense, guys. So I hope you guys do better. I hope you guys do better. Regardless, I hope you guys do better. But then this video I'm revealing to you guys, it's going to work for you. I don't know the tariff plan you are currently on. This offer will work for you. Just be ready and just stay tuned to the end of this video. So if you actually appreciate the effort, time and resources that I put into making this kind of video, kindly like this video, kindly drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I want this channel to get to 10k subscriber within the first month of dropping this video. Just ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll really appreciate that. So that being said, let's get started. So right here, I'm on my MTN app. In fact, the plan I'm about to review to you guys is what I'm currently using, and I have just 1.99 gig left on my data plan. So I'll be showing you guys how I go about buying this data plan. It's crazy cheap. It's a monthly offer. In fact, I don't want to know how much you're buying, how much you're spending on data. If you actually go for this plan, you are saving yourself a whole lot of money. If you go and check the current price of MTN, let's go and check how much it takes to buy data on MTN at the moment. So if I should go to buy data and I check data bundle, so over here you can see this is the daily plan. Let's go to weekly plan. At the moment, for you to get 1 gig on MTN, which will last you for just 1 week, you'll be paying 800 naira for that. I guess you can see that 800 naira to get just 1 gig, and it will last you a week, not even a month. That's crazy. And you can see right here, you have to pay 1000 naira if you want to enjoy 1.5 gig every week. It's also crazy considering the fact that it only lasts a week. It means that even if you don't use data at all, once it's 1 week, that data will leave your SIM. So it's just crazy, guys. The cost of getting data is crazy. So that is why you want to watch this video to the end, so that you get to learn how you can save yourself some money and also get a lot of data you can enjoy. For you to enjoy this data, you need to use the MTN website. So let's go ahead to the MTN website right now. So I'll open my Chrome browser. So once I'm on my Chrome browser, just search for mtn.ng. mtn.ng. So once you search for this, then it will load up this page for you. This is the MTN website. This is the MTN website. So for you to buy this data plan, just scroll down a bit. You get to see where we have buy data. Can you see the first one is link your NIN? We have broadband, then we have buy data. So just click on buy data. Once you click on buy data, then it will load up the different tariff plans that you can buy on MTN. Alright, so you can see it has loaded for us, and over here you can see that we have daily plans, we have 2-day plans. If you swipe to the left, you get to see that we have a weekly plan and we have monthly plan. So the plan I want to review to you guys is a monthly plan. It's a monthly plan. And for you to buy this plan, wait, can you guys remember this plan in the past? where you get to buy about 1 gig for 133 naira, where you get to buy about 45 gig for 6,000 naira. It was really, really popular in Nigeria. Like at a point, MTN removed it. So that plan is back now. The only thing is that they added money to it and also they reduced a bit of data from it. But then if you do the plus or minus, it's still very, very affordable. Because if you do the plus or minus, you realize that you are getting about 1 gig for just 200 naira. Like it's just crazy. So that is why I say this is one of the best plan you can go for right now. One of the best plan. So the plan you are going for, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Oh, it's not showing here. Am I on the wrong place? Okay, I'm still on weekly plan. So tap on monthly plan. Once you're on monthly plan, so you then scroll down to where you have this. Can you see this? This is the plan right here. So this plan is 45 gig for 9,000 naira. 45 gig for 9,000 naira. So in the past, it used to be 6,000 naira for 45 gig. In fact, it was really, really popular then. When they changed the data tariff plan in Nigeria, they still left this plan. But at a point, they now change it. But now the data plan is back now as 45 gig for 9,000 naira. Let's go and do the plus or minus so you get to see what I'm saying. So once you check 9,000 naira divided by 45, can you see? It means you are getting 1 gig for 200 naira. 1 gig for 200 naira. That's crazy. And this data is meant to last for a month. You use it for a complete month. Instead of you to go and buy MTN 1 gig for 800 naira, why not just buy it 1 gig for 200 naira using this plan? Do you understand? If you are buying 1 gig 800 naira, if you do the plus or minus every day, every day, every day, in a month, you are spending more than 10,000 naira. I don't know how you want to do it. You are spending more than 10,000 naira. But with this plan, you are getting to save yourself lots of money and you are getting to enjoy much more data. Speaking about how ridiculously cheap this offer is, check the normal price for MTN data. Can you see the normal amount of gig you have to get if you have to pay 9,000 naira on MTN is just 25 gig. But this offer I just reviewed to you guys is allowing you get 45 gig for just 9,000 naira. Alright, so if you want to buy this plan, just tap on this arrow right here. So once you tap on it, why is it taking me back? So let's try this again. I'll tap on the arrow right here. Alright, MTN is also crazy these days. So at the point when you are trying yours, if you should tap on it, there's every chance that it goes through. But unfortunately, it's not going through for me. So I'll have to like go with the SMS option. Do you understand? They said I should send 163 to 312 to purchase the plan. So I'll go and make use of that option. But in the past, I usually buy it from here. I usually buy the data from here and it always goes smooth. So in your own case, just ensure that you've recharged your SIM card. Then if peradventure it goes through, then you will see where to put your phone number. Just follow the prompt there. It's very simple. Put your phone number, then proceed and click on pay. Do you understand? Just pay with your SIM card. That's advisable. Don't pay directly from your bank or through your card. Just ensure you recharge airtime on your SIM card, then you click on pay. Do you understand? And if you are not even logged in, they will ask you to log in. They'll ask you to log in. So I'm just trying to like tell you what to expect when you click on this arrow right here. So let's go and try SMS option. So if peradventure you try buying it and it did not work, so it means you have to make use of the SMS option like I'm about to do. So I'll go and send 163 to 312 using my SMS. So let me go straight to my message. So right here, I'm on 312. Can you see? So I'll be sending 163 to 312. So I just type 163 and I'll send it. So once I send this, then they'll ask me to send and I'll click on send. So let's see what it brings next. So can you see you'll be charged 9,000 naira for this purchase of 45 gig monthly always on plan. Please reply with yes to proceed. So I just put in yes right here and I'll click on send. So once I click on send, I'll also click on send again. So let's see what next. Can you see? You will receive a menu shortly. Select yes. They didn't let me read this finish. Alright, let me see this. So they said, do you want your 45 gig monthly always on plan to automatically renew every 30 days? I'll click on no, which is true. Can you see activation of 45 gig monthly always on plan at 9,000 naira was successful? Expires 29/06 2025. So I was able to buy this successfully using the SMS option. So if at your end you're able to buy it using the website, that's very perfect. You know, MTN is just so unstable these days. And live on this video, you guys saw the instability of MTN. Like everything is just so unstable. We tried buying the data on their website and we were unable to buy it. We had to go and try the SMS method before we could actually buy this data. So if they actually removed any bundle from their offer, just know that it is always meant to happen. And I have got your back to always help you get great offers, always help you get fresh updates on how you can get cheap data, how you can save money buying data. Do you know that that video I made that you guys were dropping negative comments? YouTube gave me a strike for that video. I had to like make an appeal to YouTube before they could remove that strike. So I guess you now see the whole stress I went through just for that video, appealing to YouTube strike, the process of making the video, editing of the video and everything. So I believe you guys can do better. You guys can do better. Don't always just go ahead dropping negative comment on anyone's video. Well, if you are remorseful or regardless, if you are grateful for this kind of video that I just made for you, just go ahead to drop a nice comment in the comment section so that I'll be encouraged to make this kind of video in subsequent time. And also ensure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I want this video to get us 10k subscribers in its first month. Alright, so guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.